Hey guys, it's Michelle. I have Liz with me here today and we're going to show you how to restore damaged hair using 3 simple products. We have the Malibu Hard Water Wellness Shampoo, which is a clarifying shampoo. It's going to help get rid of any kind of buildup that you have in your hair. And then we have OLAPLEX number 3. It is a keratin treatment that's going to make your hair stronger and healthier. Lastly, we have Michelle Haircare's Day After Brush, and that is going to help you prolong your washes, which is going to stop you from using heat too often or from drying out your scalp too much. So Liz has some damage on her hair from coloring her hair. So you can see that the ends are a little bit brittle, it's a bit dry. She also uses heat to style her hair, so that's gonna also dry it out as well. She's also been using aerosol dry shampoo, so I can feel that there's buildup in her hair, which does actually give it a little bit of dullness as well. So I'm gonna send her off to use the Malibu Hard Water Wellness. So that's gonna clarify her hair, and then when she comes back, we'll apply the treatment. Okay, so Liz just got back from washing her hair with clarifying shampoo. So it feels squeaky clean. It's gotten rid of all that buildup, so it's gonna make this job really easy. So after you wash your hair, you wanna make sure that you towel dry your hair kind of well, just so that there's not too much moisture on the hair. It's gonna help your hair to absorb that OLAPLEX treatment really well. So you wanna start by taking small sections. So here I've maybe used about 1.5 inches of the bottom of her hair, and I am going to apply the treatment where her color starts, and then I'm gonna start brushing it through using the wide tooth of the comb. So I brush that through, make sure it's on there really evenly. Work it all the way to the ends. You wanna make sure that the ends get a good amount of treatment. So we're just gonna continue taking small sections all the way up to the top. All right, so we are just finishing up the last section here. And what we're going to do is we're gonna have Liz wrap her hair in a damp towel. She's gonna sit like that for 15 minutes. That's gonna help your hair really soak up the treatment and feel great afterwards. All right, here we go. All right, let's take a look. So Liz just got back from rinsing her hair and it feels so good. It feels really healthy and strong. And she just rinsed it out with her regular shampoo and conditioner. And you're going to want to do this treatment once a week until your hair does get back that health and that strength. Okay, so we're gonna blow dry just to see what it looks like. All right, now that her hair is dry, you can really see how healthy her hair looks. Before, it was a little dry, brittle, and dull because of the aerosol dry shampoo she was using, but that clarifying shampoo really got that buildup out, and the treatment made it so that it's strong and healthy. This next step that I'm gonna show you is really important for your everyday hair care routine. You're going to want to use Michelle Haircare's Day After Brush. It's a clean dry shampoo brush that targets only the oil on your hair, meaning that your scalp is going to stay free of powder and free of harm. That's really important because your scalp produces lots of oils that's going to help your hair stay healthy. We're 1 day post-treatment, which is the perfect time to use the Day After Brush. I can already see some oil on Liz's hair, so I'm going to show you how to absorb it and prevent more buildup. As a general rule, you don't want any type of dry shampoo on your scalp because it's going to clog your pores, which leads to hair loss. That's why this dry shampoo is so great. These soft bristles are going to distribute the powder through your hair, while these raised bristles are going to protect your scalp from coming into contact with the powder. We're going to start from the front and brush backwards, and then you can touch up any other areas that might need it. I know you guys can't smell this, but there's a subtle but fresh scent. It has hints of peony, pomegranate, and ginger, and it smells so great. I recommend freshening up the hair in between washes with a Day After Brush to keep your scalp healthy and your hair beautiful. So remember, the next time you want to restore your hair, make sure that you use a clarifying shampoo, a keratin treatment like OLAPLEX number 3, and a dry shampoo like the Day After Brush. Please comment if you have any questions, and like and subscribe if you did like the video.